Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. Doing a little off-grid cooking today, taking some time to show my friends and neighbors here how to do some different off-grid open fire cooking techniques. We got some Cornish game hens here that we got suspended on some sticks that we cut. Just got them threaded on there. We brined these for a couple of hours to give them a good flavor with just some seasoned salt and water. And we got our pumpkins here, and we actually hollowed these pumpkins out and we filled these with vegetables, and these are going to be our side dishes. One is filled with red skinned potatoes, herbs, and a little butter, and the other one is filled with yellow and orange carrots and some apples, some parsnips, some walnuts, and a little brown sugar. And that's going to all cook together and make one sweet and one savory side dish to go with these Cornish game hens. I like using these Cornish game hens for our simulations because they're a small bird, kind of similar to what you might find with a pheasant or a woodcock or quail, something that you might find out in nature if you're out and about foraging. But just want to take this time to show you guys this, give you guys some ideas for some off-grid cooking techniques of your own. This is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. I hope you guys are getting a little information, a little entertainment out of my videos, and you guys have a great day.